You know, they say money can't buy happiness, but it can buy chocolate, which is pretty much the same thing. Welcome to our financial fitness journey. Today, we're embarking on a mission of empowerment, diving deep into the world of budgeting, investing, and taking control. All with a healthy dose of wit and charm, of course, because who says finance has to be boring? Not us. So buckle up, ladies, and prepare for a journey through financial literacy and wealth building. Did you know that women live longer than men on average? That's great news, unless you haven't planned your finances accordingly. Enter the concept of financial fitness, a critical element in the game of life. It's no secret that women often face unique financial challenges, including the wage gap, longer lifespans, and potential career breaks for family care. These factors can significantly impact a woman's financial health, making it crucial for women to have a strong handle on their finances. Imagine you're running a marathon. You wouldn't start without training, right? The same goes for your financial journey. It's essential to build your financial muscles so you're ready for whatever life throws at you. It's not just about making ends meet, but also about securing your future and achieving your dreams. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or even planning a dream vacation. Remember, ladies, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. If you think budget is a type of diet, then you're in the right place. Let's break down some crucial financial terms to get you up to speed. First up, income. This isn't just your paycheck, it's any money that flows into your bank account, gifts, side gigs, you name it. Now, expenses. These are your outgoing costs, rent, groceries, the occasional splurge on shoes. It's important to keep track of where your money is going. Next, we have savings. This is the money you set aside for the future, whether it's for a vacation, a rainy day, or your retirement. Debt is money you owe, and interest is the extra you pay for borrowing that money. It's like renting money, and yes, it's as annoying as it sounds. Finally, investment. This is money you put into something, hoping it will grow over time. Think of it as planting a money tree, and that's your crash course in financial jargon, ladies. No more being bamboozled by big words. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Let's dive into some strategies. First up, we have the envelope method. This old-school tactic involves dividing cash into different envelopes for various expenses. It's a tangible way to see where your money is going and to keep yourself in check. Next, there's the zero-based budget. This strategy involves making your income minus your outgo equal to zero. It's all about giving every single penny a purpose. For our tech-savvy friends, there's a world of budgeting apps at your fingertips. Apps like Mint and You Need a Budget can help you track your spending, save for goals, and even sync with your bank accounts. And don't forget about the 50-30-20 rule. This simple guideline allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or paying off debt. Remember, a budget isn't about limiting yourself, it's about making the things that excite you possible. An emergency fund is like insurance for your wealth. Trust me, it's a lot more fun than it sounds. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope. Now, wouldn't you feel safer with a safety net below? That's what an emergency fund is to your financial life. It's a cushion that catches you during unexpected financial falls, whether it's a sudden job loss, a health emergency, or an unexpected expense. So how much should you save? Ideally, aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Yes, it may sound like a lot, but remember, it's not about reaching that goal overnight. It's about steadily building towards it. Now, where to keep this fund? Somewhere accessible, like a high-yield savings account, is a great option. It keeps your money within reach, yet allows it to grow, however slightly. With a solid emergency fund, you'll sleep better knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws at you. Debt is like a leaky faucet. It might not seem like much, but it can quickly drain your resources. Now let's dive into how you can take control of your debt and swim back to the surface. Firstly, you need to prioritize your high-interest debts. Just as you would tackle a burning stove before cleaning the dishes, paying off high-interest debt first can save you a significant amount in the long run. Next, create a repayment plan. This isn't a wish list for Santa, but a concrete, actionable strategy. Identify how much you owe, to whom, and the interest rates. Then decide how much you can reasonably pay off each month. Finally, consider seeking professional help if needed. There's no shame in asking for assistance, especially when navigating a stormy sea of debt. Remember, The best way to get out of debt is to avoid getting into it in the first place. But if you're already there, don't despair. There's always a way out. You know what's better than working for money? Having your money work for you. Welcome to Investing 101. Imagine this. You're a farmer and your money is a pile of seeds. You could eat those seeds right now, sure, but what if you planted them instead? Over time, each tiny seed could grow into a tree, bearing fruit season after season. That's the magic of investing. Just like farming, investing involves some risk. Bad weather could wipe out your crop. But the potential reward, a steady supply of fruit, makes it worthwhile. The secret ingredient of investing is compound interest. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and getting bigger over time. The earlier you start, the bigger your snowball can get. Investing might seem scary, but it's the key to building wealth over time, so don't be afraid to take that first step. So you're ready to invest. But where do you start? Let's explore. Investing can seem like a giant puzzle, but it doesn't have to be. There are a variety of options available, depending on your personal goals and risk tolerance. First, there are stocks, essentially pieces of a company you can own. They can provide high returns but come with a degree of risk. On the other hand, bonds are essentially loans you give to companies or the government. They tend to be more stable but with lower returns. Then there are mutual funds, a basket of various stocks and bonds managed by professionals. They offer diversification, spreading the risk across multiple investments. Lastly, real estate can be another profitable investment, providing both rental income and potential appreciation over time. Each option has its own potential risks and rewards. It's crucial to do your homework and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the best investment is the one that fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Retirement is like a long vacation in Las Vegas. The goal is to enjoy it to the fullest, but not so fully that you run out of money. Now, we all want to hit the jackpot when it comes to a comfortable retirement, but unlike Vegas, it's not about luck. It's about careful planning. So let's talk about setting yourself up for the future. Retirement planning is crucial to ensure that you can maintain your lifestyle and cover your expenses when you stop working. There are different retirement savings accounts available, such as 401ks, IRAs, and pension plans. It's important to understand the pros and cons of each to decide which is best for you. And how much should you save? Well, the earlier you start, the less you'll need to save each year. A common rule of thumb is to aim for about 80% of your pre-retirement income, but remember, everyone's situation is different, so tailor your plan to your specific needs. Remember, retirement isn't an age, it's a financial number. So start planning now. They say buy land. They're not making it anymore. Let's talk about real estate. Real estate is often seen as a bedrock of wealth building. It's tangible, it's often in demand, and it can provide a steady income stream. Picture this. You own a rental property, and, like clockwork, every month, your tenants pay their rent. That's money in your pocket, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks too. What if the property needs major repairs? Or what if you struggle to find tenants? These are real challenges that could turn your dream investment into a financial nightmare. And then there's real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. These allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of owning and managing properties. But remember, like any investment, they come with their own set of risks. Remember, real estate can be a great way to build wealth, but it's not without its risks. So do your homework. Enjoying the journey so far? Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more financial fitness tips. Your engagement fuels our passion to deliver top-notch content. So don't forget to show some love. Thanks for your support, and let's keep the journey going. Ever dreamed of being your own boss? Let's talk about entrepreneurship. It's like setting sail into uncharted waters. Exciting, isn't it? But just as a sailor needs a compass, an entrepreneur needs a solid business plan. It's your roadmap to success, guiding your journey from a fledgling idea to a thriving business. But let's not sugarcoat it. Entrepreneurship comes with its fair share of challenges. From long hours to financial risks, it's not a walk in the park. However, the potential rewards can be immense. Think financial independence, creative freedom, and the thrill of building something from the ground up. Moreover, entrepreneurship can be a powerful way to build an additional income stream. You're not just earning, you're creating value, and that's a beautiful thing. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the entrepreneurial pool, remember it won't be easy, but it'll be worth it. Remember, entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, but if it's for you, it can be a game changer. Life is full of milestones. Let's make sure you're financially prepared for them. It's the big moments that leave lasting memories, but they can also leave a lasting dent in your wallet if you're not prepared. Let's start with buying a home. It's more than just saving for a down payment. You need to factor in closing costs, home insurance, and ongoing maintenance. Next, tying the knot. Weddings can be pricey, but it's the merging of two financial lives that needs careful consideration. Setting up a joint account, planning for shared expenses, and discussing financial goals are key. On to having children. It's not just about diapers and baby food. Have you thought about childcare costs, education savings, and life insurance? Finally, retirement. It's about more than just putting money into a pension. You need to consider your lifestyle, medical costs, and even potentially long-term care. Remember, life's a journey, not a destination, so plan ahead and enjoy the ride. Insurance is like a parachute. If you don't have it when you need it, chances are you'll never need it again. Now that's a tad dramatic, but it does get the point across, doesn't it? Insurance is all about preventing life's unexpected curveballs from bowling you over. There's a myriad of insurance types available, from health and life insurance to home and auto insurance, each serving to protect different aspects of your life. Moving on, let's chat about estate planning. Sounds a tad intimidating, doesn't it? But worry not, it's simply the process of arranging who will receive your assets when you're not around to enjoy them anymore. This often involves drafting a will or perhaps setting up a trust to ensure your hard-earned wealth ends up in the right hands. Remember, protecting your assets is just as important as building them. So don't skip this step. That's it for our journey through financial fitness, ladies. But remember, this is just the beginning. Today, we've explored budgeting, investing, and taking control. Now it's your turn. Remember, financial fitness isn't a destination, it's a journey. So take that first step and keep going. You've got this.
Savored this video? Fancy another? Click the on-screen video for an even deeper dive into fresh territory. Your support is like a warm cuppa on a brisk day. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell for the latest content. Cheers for watching.